Hi, with this video, I'm going to answer a customer question about drilling into data to get information about a set of hosts that have directly exposed vulnerabilities to particular types of threat sources. And one of the functions I'm going to use today is interactivity in our web-based reporting. And all of these are tabs that can be drilled in upon to get more information about those particular data sets. And here, for example, we have a list of all our directly exposed and pivotable hosts. So we've already sorted the vulnerabilities and the hosts to those that are pivotable. What my customer asked for is the ability to sort it to a particular type of threat source. So over here, we're going to enable interactivity. Interactivity now makes all of this data live. And I can come over here and apply a filter that says source subnet equal to, more exactly, not equal to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out one of my extranet subnets, leaving only the two internet subnets in my model here. So what I now have is a report that is narrowed down to pivotable data or pivotable vulnerabilities and source subnets. Let's say I want information that's not contained within this report. We have options for you. I'll go back to my report designs. And I'm going to create a new report. So go into my reports tab. I'm going to select vulnerability management, select new vulnerability report. I'm going to select the threat report, and I'm going to use one of our pre-existing queries called untrusted to trusted threats. And I'm going to create my report. I'm going to create custom untrusted to trusted. And it's custom because what I'm going to do is I'm going to leverage the ability to add extra fields, adding downstream risk scores, or adding information such as vulnerability type. Is there a patch available, and when was the date of that patch being made available? And I'm just going to save this. So this gives me the opportunity to add a number of columns that we have in our database. I'm going to choose save. And now I have that information here. Going back to my report portal, navigate to vulnerability management, and run my report. The difference between this report and the pre-canned report that we have in our dashboards is that I've had the opportunity to choose my columns and add data into this report, such as downstream risk. So if I wanted to start to enable interactivity and say, let's get rid of those extranets. So those are now gone. And I want to look at all my pivotable vulnerabilities. I will have to select this value. So now I have my pivotables. Is there a patch available? This is kind of an interesting query because a lot of my customers want to know what vulnerabilities that are pivotable that do not have a patch available. So here we now have from the internet subnets. Is it pivotable? Yes. Is there a patch available? No. So now we've reduced our report to a single page of a number of hosts that have a vulnerability that's exposed to an internet threat source that is pivotable but does not have a patch available. As with all our web-based reports, you could choose to export the content in a variety of different formats: PDF, Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint. So you can share this data with your peers. I hope this video tutorial on using our interactivity in our reports and creating reports to get more the columns that you want was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website, www.redseal.co, or send us your email question at support@redseal.co. Thank you.